Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is determiners. I am going to teach you articles today. Contents of this video are: what are determiners? Number 2, different types of determiners. Number 3, indefinite article, its definition and usage. Number 4, what is definite article and its uses. And at the end of the video, there is going to be a homework for you. Practice exercise on articles. Let's get started. Now, what are determiners? The words which are used before nouns to fix or define the nouns are called determiners. Now, students, noun is a name of a person, place, or thing, and determiners come before nouns. Determiners can be divided into the following kinds. Number 1, articles, that is a, an, and the. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Number 3, possessives, like my, your, our, his, her, its, their. Number 4, indefinite adjectives like some, any, much, many, little, few, less. These tell us about quantity but not the exact quantity. And some other determiners are like all, each, every, both, neither, either, other, another, enough, most, several, one, two, first, second, etc. Now students, today we are going to learn about articles thoroughly. Articles are of two types. Number 1, definite article, and number 2, indefinite article. Students, a and an are said to be as definite article, and the is referred to as definite article. Now first let us see what are indefinite articles. The indefinite article, that is a and an, is called indefinite because it does not refer to any particular person or thing. It is used before singular countable noun since it denotes one. So students, wherever we use a and an, it means the noun is singular, one in number. A boy means one boy. A pen means one pen. So students, whenever you are filling the gaps during your examination, you must remember this thing. If your noun is uncountable or plural, you cannot use a or an before them. A and an is used only before singular countable noun. Let's see some examples. I found a book. A book, here I am not talking about any specific book. We are talking about a book in general, any book. She bought an umbrella. It means she bought one umbrella, any umbrella, not any specific umbrella. That's why we have used an here. Now students, let's see the uses of the indefinite article. Where do we use a and an? A and an is used before a singular countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time. For example, I saw a monkey in the zoo today. So here we are talking about any monkey, not specific monkey. Number 2, a is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. Now students, you must remember that the sound is important. We have to see the sound and not the letter. For example, a boy. Here, b sound is there. That's why we have used a before the noun boy. A pen, a table, a parrot. So here you can see these words start with consonant sounds. Number 3, an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. So students, here you must remember we use an before the sounds A, E, I, O. But when we talk about the U, there the sound is Z sound. And that is why we don't use an there. This thing I'm going to explain you in detail in my next slide. For example, an apple, an egg, an uncle. Now, uncle, although the first letter is U, but the sound is not U. An orange. Point number 4. It is used before the adjective according to its initial sound in case the noun is preceded by an adjective. Now, adjective is a describing word. For example, a beautiful girl, an honest lady. So here we are not supplying the article as per the lady, but the adjective honest is there before lady, and an is used because of this adjective honest, because here H is silent, so the sound is O sound. Number 5, before units of price, speed, ratio, weight, etc. For example, this car gives 20 kilometers a liter. It means in 1 liter petrol, this car runs 20 kilometers. Point number 6, in expression of frequency. For example, take this medicine twice a day. Twice a day, once a day, thrice a day. So here we make use of a. A is also used in certain exclamatory sentences. For example, watch a beautiful flower. It is also used to express quantity. For example, a lot of, a bit of, a couple of, a pair of, a number of, a great deal of, a few, a little, etc. So students, this is about the uses of the indefinite article. Now, there are some exceptions in the use of indefinite articles a and an. Number 1, some words begin with vowel letters but not with vowel sounds. They therefore take a before them instead of an. For example, a university. Now, U sound, how do you write U? Y-O-U. So, it is considered as consonant. Here the sound is Z sound. And that is why we use a. A university, a European, a unit, a 1 rupee note. So, although 1 starts with O, but the sound is V sound. A unicorn, a uniform, etc. Now, point number 2. Some words begin with consonant letters but with vowel sounds. Although the letter is consonant, but the sound is that of a vowel. They therefore take an before them. For example, an hour, an honest man, an MP. When we speak M, the sound is again a sound. An SP, an MA. So with all these we use an. So these are some of the exceptions in the use of the articles a and an. Now students, let's move on to the definite article, that is the. The definite article the is called definite because it refers to some particular or specific person, place or thing. It is used before both countable nouns, singular as well as plural, and uncountable nouns. Now students, we can make use of the before countable nouns, singular plus plural, and it can also be used with uncountable nouns like milk, sugar, oil, etc. Now let's see some examples. There is a pen on my table. Get me the pen. Now here in the first sentence, we have used a pen because this noun appeared for the first time here. So here pen means any pen. Get me the pen. Now when we are referring to pen the second time, here the pen has become specific. It means the pen which is lying on the table. Number 2. I am going to the kitchen. Why have we used the kitchen? Because we are talking about a specific kitchen. That is the kitchen of my house. I'm not going to my neighbor's kitchen. It is the kitchen of my house. So that's why we make use of the here. The girl who stood first was given a scholarship. So here we are referring to the specific girl who stood first, who was given a scholarship. That's why the. So the is used for particular or specific things. Now students, let us learn about the usage of the definite article the. The is used when we speak of the things which are the only ones of their kind, that is unique things, as the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the stars. The is used before a noun becoming definite by being mentioned the second time. This thing we have already discussed earlier. For example, Shalu wore a nice dress. The dress was gifted by her cousin. So, the dress means the nice dress which was gifted by her cousin. There was a dog. So, when the noun comes for the first time, a is used. The dog was hungry. So in the second sentence, the noun becomes specific. Then we use the before it. The is used when a singular noun is used to represent the whole class of things to which it belongs. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. It means all the dogs are faithful. The camel is the ship of the desert. Students, the is also used before the names of rivers. For example, the Nile, the Yamuna. Ranges of mountains. For example, the Himalayas. Names of oceans. For example, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Before group of islands. For example, the Andamans. It is also used before the names of ships. For example, the Titanic, the Samrat, and so on. Students, the is used before the names of countries in plural. For example, the United Kingdom, where you find the word United, the United States of America, the Netherlands, S is used after it. So we use the before the names of these countries, but we say India, China, Pakistan, Iraq. There we don't use any article. Now students, the is also used before the names of religious books, before the names of holy books. For example, the Gita, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Quran. Now here are some more uses of the definite article. The is used before the names of banks. For example, the Punjab National Bank, before the names of hotels, the Ashoka Hotel, the Taj. It is also used before the names of museums, for example, the Indian Museum, and certain buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar. Now students, the is also used before the names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Tribune, the Hindustan Times. It is also used before the names of magazines, the Reader's Digest, the India Today. The is used before the superlative of adjective. For example, the adjective good, its comparative degree is better, and the superlative degree is best. So before the superlative degree, we use the best boy, the most beautiful girl, the worst thing. The is used before the names of families in plural. For example, the Kapoors, the Sharmas, the Nehrus. It is also used before the names of races and communities. For example, the Jews, the Sikhs, the Hindus, the English. The is used before the expressions like by the dozen, by the litter, both the sisters, all the students. The is used before the names of historical events. For example, the Battle of Panipat, the Mutiny of 1857. The is used before morning, afternoon, evening. If last, next, or every is not used before them. For example, I get up in the morning. He plays cricket in the evening. The is used before descriptive adjectives referring to a whole group or class, as the rich. It means all the rich people, the poor people. The is used before cardinal numbers, as the second girl in the first row is my sister. The first, the second, the third, the fourth, the next, the following, the last, the previous. The is used before the highest ranks. For example, the Prime Minister of India, the President of India, the principal of the school, the manager of the firm. Now students, in this slide, we are going to study about omission of the articles, where we do not need to use any article. Do not use the before abstract nouns, plural nouns, proper nouns, names of materials, meals, colors when used in general sense. For example, wisdom is better than wealth. So here wisdom is an abstract noun, so no, we don't use the before it. Children are playing. Now children is a plural noun, that's why we need not use the here. Sukhminder is my brother. Now Sukhminder is a name of person, so proper noun. We need not use any article over here. Gold and silver are precious metals. So before the names of materials, we did not use it. They invited me to breakfast. So name of meals. And it is also not used before the names of games. For example, I play football. He plays cricket. So before the names of games, carom board, chess, we need not use any article. Expressions like all day, all night, by train, by air. So there we can omit the articles. Now students, this is all about the usage of articles. Now here is a practice exercise. So homework time for you. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. Here in the blanks, you may use a and the. And if no article is required, then you can put a cross. Now correct the following sentences. So here like Bunny is going to USA. There is some error in the sentence which you have to rectify and rewrite the sentence after correcting it. And students, answers of this exercise will be available in my next video. So keep watching to know the answers. And thank you very much for listening to me. And for more such videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Now, if you have understood my video, if you have liked it, then please press the thumbs up button and do give your precious comments as feedback. Thank you very much.